name's Victor. Welcome to the lab. I wanted to make a quick video on what I've been working on, which is waste solutions. I also wanted to take the opportunity to give you guys a quick lab tour. So let me get this camera turned around and I'll show you what I'm working with. On this side of the lab is my hot station, where I melt all the metals. It's basically cinder blocks and fire bricks arranged in a desk configuration. I use MAPP gas and Oxy-Acetylene torches to melt the metals with. On this side of the lab is where I do all my chemical refining, where I have my chemical storage, my equipment, and my fume hood, which I'll give you a closer look at now. The fume hood I built out of plywood, plexiglass, and 2x4s. It's 3 feet tall, 4 feet long, and 2 feet deep. The front door slides up and is held in place by door hinges. The fan is rated at 412 CFM. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.